aside from 3-point shooting, yung rebounding nitong Dasmariñas is something that they should work on. And nakita nga natin si Valentino right away, showing that he can crash the offensive boards.
Oo. Itong Mindoro, John Mendoza, as we look at this replay, grabe.
John Mendoza once again, what a pass to Kobe Henido.
John Mendoza, yung step niya, bago yung dribble. Nice pass.
John Mendoza once again.
Defense, kaya ito, dumikit sila sa Dasmariñas. Ito namang Dasmariñas, bad habit.
Oo.
So kailangan tanggalin mo siya.
Parang it took me a while din para mawala siya sa sistema ko. Yung naging part na siya ng by Dasmariñas. That is the 5th one. Kobe Henido answers right back. Ano ba yung dipsy-do sa Tagalog? Alahoy?
Alahoy, oo.
Fans here on our screens. And ito, extended minutes, no? Para sa starters of Dasmariñas as Kobe Henido gets performance so far.
Dahil nga mahigpit yung depensa, pero yun nga, speaking of depensa, Kobe Henido. Pinaninindigan there by Kobe Henido, pero from defense to offense, walang problema yon para kay Kobe Henido.
Highlights.
Kailangan talagang i-limit na itong Mindoro yung 3-point shots na itong happy to hear it from this young kid.
Oo, parang alam niya yung steps no, para marating yung goal na yon. So, over nun.
Yun na nga, no? Speaking of takeover, itong fourth quarter, makikita mo naman kung gaano ka
free throw. Mendoza going on the fast break, and that is...
Pero ito, as we see this replay, John Andrew Mendoza.
Mindoro being more active yung sa mga 50-50 loose balls natin. Mendoza with a step through and gives them the first taste of the lead.
Yung crowd ng Mindoro dito.
Couple of rebounds there, and Henido.
Ito namang replay natin, Dionisio. Nakuha pa ni Kobe Henido doon. A higher percentage shot para sa yung team.
Especially medyo nawawalan na rin ng legs itong si Ravelo. And Mendoza.
And tignan mo naman John Mendoza. Smallest guy on the floor.
A little bit of luck as well on the side of Mindoro. Mendoza. Marami silang mga tira na ganun mga nandun na, linuwa pa. See that nice move by Andrew Mendoza trying one-on-one.
Oh!